Hey guys! Today we bring you review of iOttie Easy One Touch 5 smartphone car mount. If you really must buy a phone holder that uses a suction cup to stick to your car, this is a good place to start. In fact, it's downright difficult to remove once it's installed. You don't lose any air vents. Once attached, it will definitely stay that way. Putting your phone into the holder is a cinch. The telescopic arm gives you more flexibility than other mounts. Getting the mount off the dash can be a real battle. Pretty big and can get in the way when not in use. As good as that suction cup is, you still need a surface to attach it to. Normally, those sticky pads and suction cups aren't all that great, but sometimes they are. Sometimes you get to test out the iOttie Easy One Touch 5 smartphone car mount. Sticking things to windshields and dashboards has long been one of the most popular ways of keeping a phone in view while driving, but you'll need to make sure you get one as secure as this. The most important part of the iOttie Easy One Touch 5 smartphone car mount is its large suction cup. That's what attaches to your car, after all. From there, we have a telescoping arm that can be used to extend the distance from the cup to where your phone will sit. That's an important feature, because it means you can stick this thing to your windshield while keeping your phone within reach. Let us know what you think about the iOttie Easy One Touch 5 smartphone car mount in the comments below. If you like it, so grab it now. Link in the description. If you buy from our provided link, you will get an extra discount. Go and get it.